Yeah, you can have cancer and smoke vapes. I know people who have lung cancer and still smoke cigarettes. I have a blood cancer. I have CML leukemia.
Cuz in the back, like, this bitch tripping.
Yeah, bro. That take.
Bro, even bro right there knows you're lacking brain cells.
What?
For the fact that you just said that, he's like, oh my God, let me hurry up and get out of here, bro. Welcome back to another video. Hope your day is going good. And in today's video, we got Bhad baby has cancer, but won't stop smoking. Bro, I did not know this girl had cancer, bro. This is news to me. If she does, she has cancer at a very young age, which is unfortunate. And if she also has cancer and won't stop smoking, then somebody needs to put her in rehab. T-Raw.
Obviously, she's addicted. If she has cancer at a young age and she won't give it up, she's an addict. So, like you said, they should put her in rehab, you know, but as we seen in previous videos, she's very unruly. So, you know, you can't try to teach people like that, bro. They got to learn the lessons on their own. And if she can't learn, then she's going to suffer the consequences.
For sure.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so in recent news, Bhad baby, aka Daniel Bergoli from, Doc Phil, has recently been facing a lot of backlash. She's receiving a lot of hate, and people are roasting the fuck out of her because, to be quite frank, she has cancer. Apparently, she has blood cancer, also known as leukemia. It's a type of cancer that affects the blood and bone marrow, and it occurs when abnormal white blood cells, leukocytes, multiply rapidly, crowding out healthy blood cells. So that is currently what she's going through right now. I guess they treat that with chemotherapy as well or whatever. Not sure if she's gonna be losing her hair.
What?
Oh, okay.
Whoa. I forget there's all types of cancers.
Yeah, well, in this case then, and all she has to do is try to get the right treatment right now.
Yo, she can, honestly, if she values her life, just stop completely. Honestly. That's the hardest thing to do, especially when you battle demons. Like, I'm sure she's battling demons. She wasn't this tatted up when I seen her initially. I think this is the combination of the OnlyFans and all this stuff that she's got going on the side, bro. She wasn't this tatted up before.
Yeah, but shawty been a crash out, bro. She been on the wrong path. That's how she got famous.
For sure.
Catch me outside.
Yeah.
As you know, that's typically what happens when you treat cancer and things of that nature. But apparently she said some dumbass stuff, of which I think warrants valid criticism. Like,
My daughter, I'm not lying about having cancer. I just choose to still vape. Because my doctor told me that a vape, I don't have lung cancer. A vape has nothing to do with my cancer. I have a blood cancer.
so let's stop right there immediately. Because even before recording this video, I went to the comment section to see what people were generally feeling about what she had to say about smoking or vaping.
Hold on. Do you think she's gotten multiple surgeries? That's probably why she's on this.
Having cancer because she has blood cancer.
I remember her looking
so her
like
doctor
this,
said it's okay to continue to vape or smoke, which a lot of people are saying if you really had cancer, your doctor would never co-sign you continuing to smoke or vape because anything you ingest into your body that's not supposed to be there will still use up resources your body would be using to fight your cancer instead of trying to focus on cleaning up your lungs.
Yeah, you can have cancer and smoke vapes. I know people who have lung cancer and still smoke cigarettes. I have a blood cancer. I have CML leukemia.
Cuz in the back, like, this bitch tripping.
Yeah, bro. That takes.
Bro, even bro right there knows you're lacking brain cells.
What?
For the fact that you just said that, he's like, oh my God, let me hurry up and get out of here, bro.
You know that SpongeBob meme? He trying to delete the files.
What?
As the information is going into the head,
Yeah.
Like, delete.
Delete. I don't have time to process this shit.
Takes the cake, bro. I know I heard some other stuff that I said was the most retarded, but no, this right here, like even her hairdresser in the back had to look up to the ceiling and process what she just said. She really just said, I know people with lung cancer who still smoke and vape.
Bro, we just said that, bro. Coming for you.
bro. Like, are we not living in a simulation? Like, is this real, bro? Like, I know you guys can hear it in my voice. This is too funny to me because I can't believe there are people this retarded out here. This dumb, this stupid. And she's a mother. Like, what? You should be trying to eat the most healthy diet.
Oh, now I know why her yitties got so big. I thought it was just me. I was like, no. She has multiple surgeries because the tats and da-da-da. But if she has a kid, makes sense.
Most healthy.
But then it also makes her look 10 times more immature, bro. 10 times more immature. You got a lot to live for, girl. What is this girl on, bro? For real, like, you got a jit and you not gonna give up the smokes and the vapes.
Lifestyle, perfect sleep, perfect food, exercising every day, staying away from alcohol and cigarettes and vapes until you fully recover. Like, imagine being so addicted to drugs that even when you get cancer, you can't stop. Like, how does she even know people who have lung cancer and still smoke? And why is she acting as if just because they do it, she should as well?
I do not have lung cancer. I could smoke a vape if I want to smoke a vape. I have a blood cancer. Know what you're talking about before you talk about it.
Well, if you want to be technical, no one's supposed to smoke at all.
Oh.
Okay.
This nigga had to come in and put you on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought he was gonna say something.
Smoke at all. Ain't nobody supposed to smoke at all.
I thought he was gonna say something off the wall.
So you technically definitely not supposed to smoke. Definitely.
For sure.
Big D.
But we do, right?
Bruh, yes, no one is supposed to be smoking, but we do, right? But here's the thing, I don't have cancer. I'm not the one who might end up dying if I don't get treated from some chronic disease that is affecting my immune system. God forbid, I hope she recovers, bro. I don't want to one day have to report on Bad Baby dying, because it's a real possibility. I'm sure she's gonna get the best possible cure in the world, because she's rich as hell, multi-millionaire, successful. But she needs to stop playing with her life like this, man. Like, she's made so many bad decisions. Her mom is trash. Her boyfriend is garbage. She's had so many bad influences. Now she's sitting up here promoting with her platform.
Her mom is trash. It's crazy.
While having cancer, bro. Like, these are the role models in society that a lot of young, impressionable people are looking up to and being like, well, if she does it, then it's okay if I do it. And you wonder why society is so cooked.
Man, look. Y'all protect y'all families, bro. Make sure your daughters don't look up to girls like her. You see, girls like her to men, let me not even put it just like men like me and men who aspire to be something in life, we ain't go at the end of our lives, come on with a girl, show out with a girl who's tatted up like this. Because everybody knows if she's tatted up like this, she's been around for the block. She for the streets. So young girls, do not imitate this woman. Do not tattoo your body to this extent. If you have a sleeve, and you have a sleeve, yeah, one sleeve is alright. The one sleeve is fine. And then it's also where you choose to put the one, like some girls will be like, oh, I got only 3 tattoos. Where did you choose to put them? Where did you choose to put them? And you think I'm not supposed to judge you based on where you placed them? Just like if you pierced your tongue? Come on now. You pierce your tongue and you think I'm finna talk to you like you're a lady? Come on now. Don't look up to girls like this, bro. That's the point I'm trying to make.
You're not supposed to do a lot. You're not supposed to fuck your best friend boyfriend, but people do it, right?
Wait a minute. Is she really bringing up the Alabama Barker situation now related to her cancer situation? Like the correlation, bro? The relevance? Woulda, shoulda, coulda. There's a lot of things you're not supposed to do, but you as an individual can make the choice. Although other people are making bad decisions, you can make the choice to not do what they're doing. Like, you don't gotta follow what other people are doing. And by the way, just because somebody's a doctor, and I acknowledge it takes a long time to become a doctor and all the certifications and all the knowledge you have to gather and then apprenticeships and working for free in a hospital and all that, like, I get it. But a lot of doctors out here are goddamn stupid when it comes to providing the proper information to their patients. Always get a second opinion. opinion, because there's been a lot of PhD doctor negligence out there providing misinformation to their patients that, based on that advice that they follow from the doctor, end up dying. Guys, always get a second opinion, a third opinion if you want. Fourth, talk to other patients, because I've never heard, assuming she's telling the truth, a doctor treating somebody for cancer that it's okay if they continue to vape or smoke. I've just never heard that. I may be wrong, and I'm always open to being wrong, but if I were a doctor, I logically speaking would try to make sure that my patient is the most healthy that they could possibly be, living the most organic lifestyle that they can possibly have. I don't know, that's just me.
Alabama fucked LeVon twice. She came back for more. Y'all sound so dumb talking about this smoking and cancer. Look, my blood screenings, my white blood cell count is normal. I'm just as good as a healthy person. I'm taking my medicine and I'm good. I don't know why y'all are so worried about me. I'll let y'all know when to be worried about me.
All right, well, yo, clearly she doesn't care about what people are saying. Clearly she's being very egotistical, arrogant, and
All right, man, I reached the end of all I can take. I don't like her looks. I'm not attracted to bad. I never was, to be honest. I don't like ratchet women. I like a little rowdiness, you know, like a little sometime, but you know, as I've grown older, I'm starting to wear that out too. I just like straight submissiveness, bro. This is just pure bad influence and toxicity. But man, listen, if y'all trying to battle me on what I said earlier about the tongue piercing thing, ask yourself this question. I used to be just like you. I used to be like, no, that girl I knew, no, she's not like that. But then I had to think back. I didn't talk to her the way I would talk to a girl who had the piercing now. So she never got to know that side of me. The true side of me, the side that comes from maturity, right? And you gotta ask yourself this question. For anyone who's doubting, why is the girl that you like or the girl that you want to talk to aware of every judgment that comes with getting that fucking tattoo in that spot or getting that piercing in that location? But yet she chose to do it. She's aware that she could be perceived as a whore or a harlot. And she chose to do it. So it makes you wonder, like, why would she be any different? But if you're still defending it after that, I can't save you. T-Row, T-Row, go ahead.
Only thing I can say is seek help. That's just simple as I can put it, bro. I mean, her parents aren't there for her. You feel me? Like, if she does have any friends, obviously they're not feeding her the right advice or trying to put her on the right path. So, only person she'll listen to,
nah, man,
is herself.
As far as the bad baby thing went, we hit it right on the head when we started the video, man. She just needs to go to rehab.
For sure.
It takes her away from what she's used to, what she's known, and then she's forced into a whole different way of life. It's like a whole body shock. And being forced off to drugs, and people who are gonna be there to take care of you should you go through withdrawals. Yeah, man, she needs that whole experience, bro. Rehab tends to free people up. Of course, people tend to relapse after rehab, but if she then goes out into a more stable environment, takes her kid, you know, I don't know how it's gonna work, but man, you already know, man, we're not the psychologists here. That being said, tap into the socials below. Comment below if you disagree with anything I said. I dare you. If you disagree with the tongue piercing thing, bro, or the tattoo thing, bro, man, we out of here, man.